5. Very good score, competing second on the bars for the Cougars. And here comes Mrs. Consistency.
I was going to say, I never expect anything but perfection from Natasha. She is a machine. She just gets up, does what she has to do, very, very consistent. Whoa, that was a good save as I'm talking about how consistent she is. The deal with handstands is you have to hit the handstand, but it's so scary because if you fall over, then that's a huge deduction.
Dismount from Natasha Marsh.
She's gonna get, knees were just a tiny bit too bent on that landing. She's gonna get a little bit of a deduction, but huge stick, huge handstands from Natasha, always the reliable performer that BYU needs.
Now when you have to hold on, like we saw her do in that first handstand, how much of a deduction comes from that?
No deduction comes from that. It just makes your heart stop. She might get like a baby deduction for you saw her feet kind of wiggled, but it makes your heart stop and you are just praying that you can pull your feet over and not fall.
Here's that dismount, watch those knees, but she holds those feet still.
Yeah, we don't want the knees going over the toes. It doesn't feel good and it is a little